So today is second day here in Chiang Mai. We're gonna hit the road again. That's my driver, David. We found the hero today because we're missing one driver, and Emmanuel, who hasn't ride a bicycle in his life, is gonna try to do it. So there we go. Do you want to say your last words?
See you in the other side, guys.
So we found this temple a little bit northern of Chiang Mai. It's really in the middle of nowhere, but it's really beautiful. There are a few white temples with shiny stones and also the gold leaves, and it's so calm here. So we entered in one of the temples and we freaked out a little bit because I was just seeing around, and at some point Filippo just comes to me really scared and tells me, "Hey, can you tell me if those people are real?" Because there were some Buddhist people inside glass boxes, and we freaked out a little bit. So we really approached them, and in the end, no, they were not real people, but they could have been. Second stop is Mae Sa Waterfall. Each person needs to pay 100 bahts entrance fee, and motorbikes are 20 bahts extra. But we decided to do it, although we're not allowed to swim in the waterfall because we thought it would be nice, and now that we're here, we might as well do it.
So guys, we are here, stop number 7 at the Phirom. Very nice view over here, people meditating, others just looking at the waterfalls, and that's it. Very nice. See you guys.
stopped by a shopping mall here in Chiang Mai. Actually, they have a lot of brands, like a lot of Western brands like H&M and Mango. So we're gonna check it out. We need a few things, really. Underwear. So one of the last things we had to try here in Thailand is a Thai massage, and today we're doing it here in Chiang Mai. Let's see how it goes. We are pretty excited and pretty tired, so the massage is gonna be good.